Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something really huge in the world of AI video generation. If you are impressed by tools like Sora or Runaway, get ready because Tencent just dropped something next level. It's called HunyuanCustom, a brand new cutting-edge multimodal AI video generation tool that's completely open source. Launched in May 2025 by Tencent Hunyuan team, this tool is designed to solve some of the biggest challenges in AI video creation, like keeping your subject consistent across frames, supporting all kind of inputs, and most importantly, giving you full creative control over the output. So, what exactly is Hunyuan Custom? At its core, it's a multimodal AI generator, meaning it does not just work with text. You can feed it image, audio clips, video reference, you name it, and it transforms that into dynamic, high quality videos. Upload a picture and a scene description, mix in some custom voiceover, or even just give it a wild prompt like a robot dancing on Mars, and it generates a fully customizable video that follow your instructions, often with shockingly good details. Now, here are few features that really make it stand out. First, it supports multimodal input, so you are not limited to one format. It also excels at subject consistency, mean your character does not morph or change randomly between frames. It uses text image fusion powered by large language visual assistant based model which help it really understand the context behind your prompt, and with audio driven animation you can even get lip sync result from your own voice clip. Want your dog Parker in Paris? Upload a picture, describe the action, and boom, you got the video. One of the most impressive technical aspects is how it keeps the subject consistent. It uses an image ID enhancement module combined with temporal concatenation. Basically, it threads identity data through the video so your characters stay visually the same throughout, solving one of the most biggest problem the other AI tools still struggle with. Now let's look how Hunyuan Custom actually perform, and the results are pretty impressive. It was tested against some big names like Pika, Skyreels, VACE, and more. And when it's come to keeping the same face across scene, Hunyuan Custom score the highest, 0.27 on the face slim test. That means it's the best at keeping a character identity consistent, even the scene change. It also got the top score on Dino Slim when checked how well the subject stay the same throughout the video. Again, Hunyuan Custom leads. While the other model might do well in one area and fall behind in other, Hunyuan Custom give a solid result across the board. Face matching, realism, text alignment, and overall video quality. So yeah, the benchmark say it loud and clear. This tool is ahead of the pack. The potential applications of Hunyuan Custom are incredibly diverse and far-reaching. In the advertising world, virtual human can now star in commercials without ever stepping a foot on a set, saving brands time and resource while opening creative possibilities. For fashion and retail, the technology enables the realistic virtual try-on experience, letting customers see how the clothes fit on a model that look like them before they ever make a purchase. Artist and developer can even create a singing avatar breathing life into animated character with synchronized lift movement and vocals. In the post-production, video editor can easily replace subject or fine-tune scenes without costly reshoots. And when it's come to storytelling, whether it's for animation, game, or long-form videos, Hanuyan Custom ensure that character remain visually consistent across scenes and style, maintaining the continuity with ease. These use cases are just the beginning, and the creative potential continue to grow as the technology evolves. These use cases are just the beginning, and the creative potential continue to grow as the technology evolve. So, what do you think? Tools like Hanuan Custom are just the beginning of what's possible with the AI videos. If you are into creating storytelling or just curious about where this tech is heading, now the time to explore. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. And as always, I will see you in the next one.